squad back in this motherfucking. Oh, I ain't make a motherfucking video for y'all in so long, but boy, we got some shit going on today. Y'all see that shit? Ooh, that motherfucker looks so good. We got the shits, we got my shit, but we not worried about that. We worried about this. Ooh, this motherfucker so clean. Look at them. Well, I need that. It's coming down soon. This motherfucker just looks so aggressive. Shit, this shit got headers, full exhaust. That shit sound crazy. Shit like that. We about to, you feel me, go make some content today. Go motherfucking make reels, slide, do all that shit. So, yeah, whenever we about to get into it, we gonna pick the camera back up and yeah. We is on the way to that shit. Look at that motherfucker. That motherfucker looks so good. Look at that motherfucker. Ooh. When I be seeing that shit, bro, I just be wanting that shit so bad. Like, I just... Look at this goofy. Look at that goofy goober. Look at this nigga. I ain't mad nigga. But yeah, but every time I see this shit, I just be wanting one so bad. Cause damn, boy, it just looks so good. I be like, damn, I need that. But I'm gonna get it though, for sure, soon. Just trust and believe. You feel me? Look at this ugly ass nigga. You ugly as fuck. Come get it first. Who the fuck he feel like he is? Talking about he gotta get in front of me. Look good in traffic. That motherfucker sitting so wide. All that. Outside, bro. Look at that, bro. That big ZOY. Ain't about to do nothing for real. We about to pull up to this little spot. Get to making reels. We about to do some sliding, even though my tires is bald as fuck. Don't mind that. It ain't really my fault, you feel me? I just be kinda lazy. That's all I gotta say. Look at the Camaros boys outside.
Hey, is y'all lights glitching on your screen?
Yeah. That's how it be doing. Oh, look at the Camaros boys outside. We got SS 011 LE. Oh, we got SES. got them shits out today. Here's some Chevy people. We got Maro driver.
Up the Chevy King.
He tried. You ain't hear what he did. He traded in that his scat.
I know. You ain't hearing either. Hey,
He traded in his scat. He about to get that. All that Chevy haters gonna end up being Chevy owners.
Listen, bro.
We heard all that.
I said this. I'll be telling the truth. If my car was messed up in the shop, yes, I would have got a manual Z01 or a Z06 vet.
Oh yeah. Hey, if y'all ain't know, the shop he took his car to burned down.
That's not what you said, bro.
That is what I said. But this is the thing. But this is the thing. The shop did not burn down, and my car is perfectly fine. So therefore, I have no choice but to keep the car.
Unfortunately, he's still fine. If it would have got took down, he would have been one of these.
Yeah, I wish we had a.
Or a Z06 Corvette. Ask Jimmy.
Yeah, he wanted Z06 too. Z06, Z01. You know, it's still we still family. We still family. But it's all the same thing. Oh, Big Z on about to slide. Bro, I would slide, but tires is cooked. So we gonna be up here with it now. So. See what this motherfucker. Oh. This little ground right here, eat tires.
That's what I said. Maybe we want to do a little something.
And this motherfucker cooked tires. Look at that shit. Woo.
You gotta go this part though. You seen that shit with the tire?
His front tires?
Yeah.
Yeah, they be locking up. That's how it be though. And that motherfucker was sliding. That motherfucker was sliding. How you feel?
How you feeling?
Hey.
Oh.
Hey, man.
The front tire, it be locking up like that though. Oh, this motherfucker hot. Damn, this nigga make me want to slide, bro.
Oh, God. I said make me want to do one little circle.
Yeah, that
Man, one circle ain't gonna hurt me.
2 hours later.
As y'all see, I just went sliding. We did a little some shit. Not crazy, cause as y'all know, I did say that I wasn't gonna slide cause my tires is cooked. Well, they definitely cooked now. You see that shit? Ooh. But shit, we gotta do what we gotta do. Get some practice in before we hit St. Louis. St. Louis gonna be a movie. We gonna do what the fuck we gonna do for real.
Yeah.
And
repeat this.
yeah. You ain't peep what?
This. When the fuck this shit
Nigga,
happened?
that's what I was talking about. You said it came like that. That's what I was talking about. Yeah, after this, I don't know what we about to do. We might go up to a little car meet. If we go up to the car meet, I'm gonna definitely record it for y'all.
They're coming. They're all coming. We're about to pull up all these fucking people at this meeting.
That shit. You said what, bro?
That's what he said. Coming. You said that. You didn't say pause.
Diddler?
None.
Fucking Diddler?
Most people.
King Diddy. Hey, just so y'all know, hey, I walked this little shit right here. I walked it. That stand for super slow. Bro, I walked this nigga. This city out. I ain't say nothing. I ain't say shit. Yeah, fuck a Mopar.
Hey, Sam, turn right, turn right, turn right. Turn right.
Turn, bro, get out!
No. The boy.
Fucking idiot.
Hey, he gonna try to come say something to us now that he can't catch him.
That's good, but he's fucking dry slow. Yeah, you know he is. Oh, yeah, but it's your car here, right here. Oh, yeah, you might. Huh?
You guys done?
Doing what?
You know exactly what. I'm sitting there watching you do it.
Oh, you didn't see us doing it.
That was one bro. You don't know who he is.
He left.
You guys are all spinning tires and doing everything.
No, look at my tires. Look at my tires.
Oh, he goes here and light us?
No, but I said, look at my tires. You didn't see me doing nothing. Pull it up. Oh, God.
Knock it off.
Man, you didn't see me do nothing.
Oh, why he, bro? We didn't do
He
that.
thought he couldn't get the right Samaritan.
We ain't do that.